Have you ever noticed, when everyone pulls out their phones to capture a sunset, there's often one person just standing there, watching it with their own eyes? When they say, "I'm not on social media," people look at them like they're living in the Stone Age. But the truth is, they aren't disconnected. They're protecting something that most of us have already lost. Social media is designed to tap into a primitive part of our brain that craves social validation. Every time you post and get a like, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical triggered by addiction. Engineers have spent years perfecting these platforms to keep you hooked, turning your attention into their profit. But those who stay away from the scroll aren't missing out on happiness. They get their dopamine from internal satisfaction, not external approval. They don't need the validation of 200 strangers to enjoy a quiet morning or a beautiful vacation. The reality is that social media has shifted from a tool for connection to a game of comparison. You end up comparing your behind-the-scenes struggles with everyone else's filtered highlights. It's a race where you are designed to lose. Studies show that people who disconnect experience significantly lower anxiety and higher life satisfaction because they've stepped out of this digital rat race. Constant scrolling conditions your brain for quick hits, destroying your ability to focus. The average person spends about 38 full days a year just scrolling. Imagine what you could create or learn if you had those 38 days back. People who live offline have the mental space to read a book, sit with a deep thought, or be truly present when they are with the people they love. On social media, every post is like an audition for approval. It's not connection, it's performance. Real human connection happens outside the screen, in the unfiltered laughter and the moments that are too precious to be interrupted by a camera. We stay trapped because of FOMO, the fear of missing out. We're afraid of being left behind, but the algorithm is built to make you feel inadequate so that you keep coming back for more. Social media is just a tool. The real question is, are you using it or is it using you? In a world full of digital noise, reclaiming your attention and choosing to be authentic is the most revolutionary thing you can do. Stop performing for an audience and start living for yourself.